Hello, it is often commented under my headphone repair videos that expensive tools are needed to repair headphones. Let's unbox it and see what we get for that price, and finally found out, does it really work? Can we solder wires together and solder a new jack to this broken audio cable? You can get the basic kit for headphone and cable repair for less than $10. First of all, it's cool that the all soldering iron kit comes in a carry case. I can already see that there are a lot of things in here that are not needed at all for headphone repair, but let's take a look at everything in here. The first useful item in this kit is the soldering flux. It's necessary because the wires in headphones are colored plate, and it's hard to solder them without flux. The copper jumper wire is basically useless. I don't know where it could be used in headphone repairs. Then there also is the small jumper cable with insulation and a simple wire stripper. These anti-static tweezers are useful as they make it easy to hold the wires while they are being soldered. Solder wire is also needed, but a desoldering pump is rarely needed in headphone repairs. Another jumper cable with insulation. They can be useful in headphone repairs to replace some internal wires. Here is the most important tool, the soldering iron. The tip is the perfect size to fix the most typical headphone problems. It's good that this soldering iron also has a changeable tip. A big bonus is the adjustable temperature for different types of soldering wires. Here are also several other soldering iron tips and a metal stand, so you don't damage grandma's desk with a hot soldering iron while fixing your headphones. Also included is a cleaning sponge, which needs to be moistened. This makes it easier to clean the end of the soldering iron. What do you think? It is a good deal for less than $20. Let's see if this soldering iron kit can be soldered two wires together. First, remove the cable's outer jacket. Twist together the inner wires, then turn on the soldering iron and set it to 250 degrees. That should be enough. Put soldering flux on the wires. When the soldering iron is fully heated, put a small dot of solder on the soldering iron tip. Then cover the wires you want to solder with a layer of soldered wire. After that, you just need to solder two wires together. It looks like it worked. The wires are soldered together well. As you can see, it worked with the copper wires. Let's try it with the delicate wires of the headphones. It looks like this soldering flux doesn't want to remove the color layer from the wires and doesn't get all the way in. The tin is working on the jack contacts but not on the wires. I will try my activated rosin flux. I will have been using it for at least 10 years and very little of it is needed, but it seems to work better on these delicate headphone wires. I also prefer this kind of soldering iron tip cleaner. It's more comfortable and cleans it better. I will try soldering these headphone wires to the jack to see if it works. It looks like the wires are holding very well. I hope I managed to make you feel better with this video showing that you don't need to buy expensive tools to fix your headphones. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck!